The best exercise for health, fitness, and longevity is not just one exercise, but a combination of a few proven activities. Research consistently shows that people who live longer and stay healthier do these regularly. Third, the number one best exercise. Brisk walking. Why? It's best improves heart health, lowers blood pressure and blood sugar, strengthens joints and bones, safe for almost all ages, strongly linked with longer lifespan. How to do at 30-45 minutes most days, pace slightly, breathless but able to talk. Strength training, very important for longevity. Why? Prevents muscle loss with age, improves metabolism, protects bones, prevents osteoporosis, reduces risk of falls. Best options: squats, push-ups, wall or floor, resistance bands, light weights, frequency 2 to 3 times per week. Balance and mobility, often ignored but critical. Why? Prevents falls and injuries, keeps joints healthy, maintains independence in older age. Best options: yoga thai, chi single leg, standing stretching. Frequency daily or at least 3-4 times week. Bonus: short bursts of intensity, optional. Why? Improves heart, efficiency, saves time, enhances longevity when done safely. Examples: fast walking for 30 seconds, stair climbing. Frequency 1 to 2 times week, only if healthy. The longevity formula, simple rule: walk, daily lift, weights twice a week, stretch and balance, often stay consistent, not extreme. Consistency beats intensity for long life.